In this video, we're going to install Acquia's Dev Desktop on a Mac. First of all, go to www.acquia.com/downloads in your browser. And then on this page, we're going to install Dev Desktop, which is right here. Go ahead and select Mac under the options under Drupal 7. Click Download and Save File. Once the download is complete, go ahead and navigate to Finder and open up the DMG file. Next, go ahead and click the Acquia Dev Desktop Stack Installer. Click Next. Click Next again. Make sure Yes is clicked. When you come to the license agreement screen, click Next. And now you can select where you're going to install the applications that belong in the stack and where you're going to install your first Drupal site. Now in this series, we won't use our Drupal site directly, but in the future, if you use Dev Desktop for site building or development work, you can import sites from other locations on your hard drive as well, so you're not necessarily stuck to this location right now. I'm going to go ahead and leave these at the defaults and click Next. These next two settings, where we can select the port for Apache and MySQL, are mostly important if we're running additional stacks. For now, let's go ahead and leave these as is and click Next. In this next screen, we set the defaults for our first Drupal installation. I'm going to go ahead and fill this out, and then click Next. Click Next one more time, and finally click Next to begin the installation process. This may take a minute or two to complete. Once the installation is complete, go ahead and click Finish, and this will open up the Acquia Dev Desktop control panel. Notice that it's running the Apache web server and the MySQL database server. To go to your new Drupal site, you can click on Go to My Site. And from here, you can begin working on your Drupal site. Now this site runs off of Acquia Drupal, which is a little different than the Drupal that you would download from Drupal.org. In one of our next videos, what we're going to do is show you how to import a fresh Drupal site that we download from Drupal.org into the Acquia Dev Desktop so you can work with the non-Acquia version of Drupal as well.